All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Expedition. This is the limited EL model, so it's the longer one. Black with black leather interior, third row seating, backup camera, navigation, heated seats, cooling seats, roof racks, running boards, chrome rims, fog lights, 14 freaking thousand miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around your front bumper. Looks fantabulous with those fog lights. Your hood looks good. Your fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. That's some curbing. That's some glue. I don't know what this stuff is. It looks like it needs, like, I don't know, I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it. It might need a new, like to machine it or whatever. Check out your tire thread, which is over it's about 930 seconds. This door looks good. Does have a dent right here, PDR work. Your rear door looks good. Your quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here is the way at 930 seconds. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat with memory, it looks like. Yes, yes, it is. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. And just by the way, calls it 2 key fob combos. Boom. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your lights here. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Let's get that out here. Audio. Bow. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. And you got your Navi system. Boom. You got your backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. You got heated and cooling seats. You got your 4x4 action here. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues. And your mileage of 14,055. Very, very nice. Keep it moving. Keep the lights on. All right. You got your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. You got your, oh, this is awesome. I didn't know the Ford came with this. You got an actual plug in here. Very nice. Your AC 110 volt. Very nice. You got your heated seats back here and your AC controls back here as well. You got your third row and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Ow. Trapped. No holes, no tears, no rips. Showed you this rear bumper back here. Looks pretty good with a tow hit and sensors. This here opens up very nicely. Boom. Very, very nice. EL model, Eco Boost. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These dealios go like that. It's like a stopper. That's pretty awesome. You know, it does a bunch of stuff. I forgot how this rolls. Ah, there it is. Boom. And then these seats, just so nobody says they don't work. Oops. That'll be first this, then this, and this. Boom. And there they go. Come on down. Alright, and likewise, they come back up. And there's one. I guess they can. There's that one. And there's that one. Boom. And here they come up. You got a rear man, automatically shut this down. Close this up. Got a well, of course, this little thing opens up. Booyah! And that looks beautiful back there. Very nice. This quarter looks really good. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger rim. I don't see curbing. Tire thread. 830 seconds. This door looks good. Other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. The third row. Likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. The whole there's a rips, powered seat as well. Your fender looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Your front passenger hubcap looks good as well. Tire thread is 930 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. All lights are working. Things are running. Folks, this car looks freaking awesome. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2017 Ford Expedition EL 4x4. EL model 4x4 limited with 14,000 miles. Question, concerns, hesitate to ask. Thanks for bidding.